Deep in the heart of the vibrant, lively jungle, a great gathering took place. Animals from all walks of jungle life came together for an extraordinary meeting. There were chattering monkeys swinging from trees, colorful parrots flapping their wings high in the treetops, majestic elephants stepping through the cover of dense foliage, and shy deer peeking curiously through the bushes. The jungle whispered with a sense of urgency. A new threat loomed on the horizon. A pack of cunning and dangerous wolves had begun to prowl the edges of their green sanctuary. Huddled together beneath the shade of a giant baobab tree, the animals decided that something had to be done. They could not face these fierce creatures on their own. They needed to become something more, a family. Charlie, the wise and gentle elephant, took center stage. With his trunk raised high, he boomed, "Friends, each of us brings our own strengths. Together, we are undefeatable. We must form a great family to protect one another." Luna, the quick-witted monkey, chattered excitedly. "Yes, yes. I can watch from the high trees, and I'll warn you all if danger is near. And we can sing out our songs to spread the news across the skies," chirped the parrot twins, Rainbow and Feather. "I will stand guard on the paths," rumbled another elephant named Bertha. The shy deer, though quiet, nodded in agreement and offered to blend into the greenery to serve as sly scouts, alerting others without being seen. With a plan in place, the jungle family set to work. The elephants created paths that were impossible for the wolves to sneak through undetected. The monkeys fashioned vines into intricate alarm systems throughout the treetops. The parrots practiced their songs, each note a message of safety or a warning call. Even the shy deer, bounding silently through the underbrush, knew exactly how to blend in while keeping their keen eyes peeled. Day by day, as the menacing wolves dared to venture closer, they found themselves thwarted at every turn. The strong and united efforts of the jungle family were an impenetrable fortress. There was excitement in the air, but also a new sense of belonging. Animals of different species, once strangers, had become family. They ate together, laughed together, and learned to appreciate each other's unique talents. The wolves, never daring to penetrate the barrier of protection the animals had formed, eventually moved on to another place where their presence was not so unwelcome. Under the jungle canopy, the united family flourished. They knew that their strength lay not just in their numbers or their cunning but in their unity. And so, within the heart of the wild jungle, amid the chatter of friendly voices and the warmth of shared smiles, the animals lived happily, forever united, and forever strong.